Press red to record. Press green to play. What could be a regular food, non-food activity? Is this department actually a community?
This department is definitely a community, I believe.
Yeah.
And regular activity? I don't know what a regular activity could be, because we are food non-food, which actually for me means more trying every time something new, and stepping out of those repetitive rhythms and like patterns. So I don't think it's gonna be.
Kind of think of a shape that fits to what you've said, and you create it out of the boxes with this fixing thing, and you add it to the build conversation.
Cool. Dus test is van.
Every community needs a pillar to stand on or to lean on.
So I was reacting to your it was you, right? And now I have to put it around?
As you like, you assign a shape that you can create out of those to your sentence.
Yeah, because I said it's gonna be a pillar. So
I don't know who it is, but she's saying that every community needs a pillar to be built up on, but this pillar also needs to stand on a rock or something, right? Otherwise, it's it's not stable either.
Yeah.
Sometimes stuff needs to fall over to create a nude composition.
I'm very curious what you're gonna say.
To the conversation, you need to record something new and assign a shape to what you said. You can take new shapes.